Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop easy guide. So for us to be able to begin in here, you need to make sure that you have a copy or a photo of the QR code that you want to scan. So instead of scanning it directly with the camera, you need to make sure that you secure a digital copy of it. So if you don't have one, just simply take a photo using your phone and email it to yourself. And as you can see, I have mine already in here. So the next step that we have in here is to go to your local browser and search for QReader online. So if you don't have an internet connection yet, since you haven't connected to the Wi-Fi, just go ahead and connect with a hotspot onto your mobile so that you'll have a quick internet connection before you could connect to the Wi-Fi. So we have QReader in here. Click onto the first one in here, and then we're gonna drag and drop here the QR code that you have downloaded. So right after that, once you have drop in, it should go ahead and analyze the QR in here. So as you can see, we have here the name of the Wi-Fi. So you'll just have to go ahead and find this network onto your Wi-Fi settings of your laptop. And here with the letter P, this is the password for that. So you'll just have to paste in the password of the QR and then feel free to connect already to the Wi-Fi connection. And that is how easy to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.